Hi everyone, tired of sharing contacts one by one on your iPhone? While you are in the right place. In this short video, I'll show you a super easy way to select and share multiple contacts at once, quickly and effortlessly. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the phone app on your iPhone. Then tap on the contacts tab at the bottom. Now, using two fingers, swipe down to select multiple contacts like this. Once selected, press and hold on the selected contacts. A pop-up will appear. Tap on the share option. Now, tap done at the top right corner. From here, choose how you want to share via WhatsApp, AirDrop, Messages or any other app. And that's it. Your contacts are shared in seconds.